From the provider, HNRLOY, 18-watt lizard reptile turtle UVB 18-watt heater. It comes with all the things you need to set up, an instruction guide, a power adapter, screw and hardware, and the LED heating element, a protective cage, and the LED lights. On the sides are your threads to put in your bolts. To assemble, taking a washer, a bolt, the spring, and the screwdriver, place on to the thread, the socket, and lock down. Repeat for the opposite side. Plugging in the power, the light turns automatically on. We have a W that increases and decreases in light and changes to the different colorings and increases. We have the switch that changes to the different levels and off. And we have a B that changes to the different levels and the timer. To go over each of the buttons, this is the warm light W. This is the on and off. By pressing the on and off, we have 10 levels of lighting from 10% to 100%, from 100% down to 10% starting. Click once to power on, long press to shut off. Pressing on and going through the 10 levels of dimmable modes and increasing up to the 10% through 100%. The timer is 6 hours, 10 hours, and 12 hours. The B is your UVC, UVB, 10 levels of dimmable, and a power off memory. With your setup, the springs extend, lock into the sides, turning on the power for heating and light and setting up the light levels. The UVB for your lizard. For your turtle, lizards, reptiles, your lighting needs your heating elements for your reptile tanks. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.